In this scenario, we're going to do a sit to stand transfer using the Molift Raiser Pro and the Molift soft handles. We're simulating a service user who's got a restricted movement in their left shoulder. To attach the strap to the frame, it's just very simple, and the soft padded part is then towards the user. Lift your feet, Karen, that's it. Bring it in. I'll put the brake on. So first of all, with your good arm, if you can find a comfortable grip, and with the hand that you've got less movement in, we can just pop that in and hold it. And on stand, when I say I'd like you to pull yourself up. So ready, steady, stand. Keep going, and you lean forward. And from here, we can carry out the standing transfer.